how to transfer money from Philippines to Japan or PC. Now, first of all, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, after that, what you need to do, open your Wise account, and now here select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippine peso, and now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Japan yen, as you can see. Now, after that, you can type in how much you want to transfer. For example, 10,000, 100,000 peso, and as you can see, click on send. Now, after that, double check the amount that you want to transfer, and this is how much your recipient to receive. Now, click on pay with, and now select the bank e-wallet transfer. Now click on add recipients, and as you can see here, select the bank details and select someone else. And after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, now provide their full name and the bank name. As you can see, you can select it from here, and now the branch name according to that bank name you selected before. Now provide the account type, and after that, account number you can provide it here, and click on continue. And after that, your recipient to receive that money, they will receive that money on their bank account. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Japan on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.